Good morning, good morning, good morning. Thanks for joining. It's about to be 7:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. And we're looking at news. Trading Nas100 straight to the chart. Looking at so we're in the mid yesterday's opening candles range. Looking to see if it breaks above. Have a buy stop here. Breaks beneath. Have a sell stop here. That's about it. Do give our idea something like this. Who's can do anything? Y'all know that. Breaks. There's a 30-minute chart. Got a bunch of consolidation during Asia, during London. So, what am I doing? Just so we can see what's going on. A red Gann flip. A 30-minute wick zone for sure. Capital. Set. Actually below here. That's where I actually have it set. To like this video things. Let's see who's on here. Here comes news. Let's see what is actually happening. So we get a bearish push down. Okay. It's up higher. Getting the rejection wick on 5 minute. My buy stop is sitting right about here. So bottom of Asia candle, something like this. Resistance. The 2. Something like that. A lot of resistance. Let's look at the 1 minute. See some big old candles. Sheesh. Let's see if it'll find a direction this morning. So, projecting it a 4-hour block. See if we above it. Very decent wick to the bottom. 30 minute. Come in a little tighter. Flip up. Some bullish momentum. Like it's reaching up. Let's keep that 10 points above, just in case we get wicked in and then it melts. They're 10 points above this dot. There. 10 points above this dot is our buy stop. See if we get tapped in. What I don't like is that we're still in yesterday's opening candle range. Ugh. I don't like is that we're still in yesterday's opening candle range. So it looked like, okay, 8-minute GAN flip. 8-minute GAN flip. We still in Asia open, the first hour of Asia's opening range. Yesterday's 8:30 candle range is like 12,025. And 889 is our range. We gotta break out this range, y'all. Looks like we broke out it a few times, but we're still just hanging out in this white little box right here. Let's break out of that. Let's see what happens. See, we'll just keep waiting and see. Enjoy the music. I'm gonna go grab me some coffee. Right, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. For everyone as well. Bless you, God bless you, God bless you. But we have this treasure in jars of clay to show that this all surpassing power is from God and not from us. Let's go. All right, so that news, we have more news at 9 o'clock. So 7:30 news was quite uneventful. We saw a bit of a bullish push. And then a significant bearish structure here. Leaving a wick on this fib fan. Ultimately rejecting this 4-hour. See right here on a 4-hour chart. So I stop in a 4-hour wick zone. If we look at 30-minute. The idea is actually to take buy when it gets above this wick right here. Which would mean we'd be above this fib fan as well. Take this buy to the top of this range and see how it reacts. Protect right there. Shall see. It's a 1-minute chart. Forward looks like we have some bearish momentum, bearish candle. You just wait and see. Good morning to all those who are watching this on a rebroadcast. Be interesting to see this thing go up and then just kind of slam down to this trend line, mitigating all these imbalances here. Ultimately, we are bullish. Still bullish. Still bullish. Let me get rid of some of this stuff. Some of the trades from earlier this week. Start new. Big. All right. Game. Little puppy is here. Oh God. She's a jerk. Seeing here. Let's went to our fib fan. Let's look at it. All right. So if we adjust it to where that top line is on that dot, we get that. Adjust it to where the bottom line is on this dot, we get this. So what do we want to play? What's the difference? Let's blow this up so we can see what's going on. Go to a higher time frame. Much it. So we're on this fib fan here. Break above it, take it to the third fib fan here. If we move that middle line to this dot, makes sense. So we'll leave it right there. See us rejecting. And we still got a ways to go for us to be bearish. Got a ways to go for us to be bearish, ladies and gentlemen. Still in this range, so enjoy the range. Home, home on the range. Sing it. The deer and the antelope. Discovery. Home on the range. Number range, go away, come again another day. It's good coffee right there. Sheesh. Just got a little alert. Still playing around Asia hour. Oh, wigs on, just hanging out. Then yesterday's open. Your high, your low. Let's look here. We may ascent into this daily rejection zone as well. Some of these bars, these yellow line and this yellow line are lines made on the daily. Trades been made on this channel. Sheesh. All right. Okay, so made a pretty decent ascension into this daily rejection zone. If we go to the daily, you'll see what I'm talking about. So these are daily candles. Should change these candles to all one color because I really don't care if bullish or bearish. So if we did that, what color would we make it? Yellow. Nope. Every candle, every wick. So cool. It's a little bright. Made let's see if we made little blue. A little bit easier to look at. If we made them a dark blue. Or light blue. Does that make sense? Dark. Sweet. Let's apply this to all. All right. So cool. Yeah, we don't care if they're bullish or bearish. We just want to see where they are. So on the map, you can see that price came into this daily rejection zone, which was support, blah, blah, blah. Y'all see that, right? All right, support, resistance, coming back into this deal. Decent. I'm looking for a retest of these levels here somewhere. So now we go to 1 hour. Now we are above this blue GAN line. Oh, to see where price wants to go. Minute. See how there's some headroom to come and bounce off of this trend line here. Maybe back down, then higher. We don't know. Just wait and see. 5 minute, same kind of deal potentially. See, it's amazing. The 15-minute and 5-minute looks so different. 16-minute looks different. 30-minute looks different. What's 4-minute look like? Same. Something about 15 minutes just strange to me. That we're anyway. So now we see where price wants to potentially go. So, some bars here that we can look at that tell us bullish or bearish. Pretty decent indicator. CM EMA trend bars. Those are green currently on the 30-minute time frame. Money had a break of structure 4 a.m. All right. So that's the thing about trade, man. Don't get into a hurry. Stay calm. Let price print. You dig? Right there. Actually going to mark up this bottom zone. And there is a 30-minute wick zone here that I'm interested in. Actually would show up probably on a 15-minute time frame. Let's go there. Yeah. We'll stop. Up a little. Like 10 points away from this dot here. $9.52. We're right there. Let's just double check to come on. Looks like we're getting a game flip down, or we got a game flip down, about to give us an alert. Let's be the one. So we'll take this sell and flip down. Let's see, that would be seconds left. 50. 500 divided by 50. 10 lot. Oh, tracement. See, the wick like that. It's kind of like, do we take it? Because it's so indecisive. See how it's kind of flipping back and forth. Bleh. Here comes 8 o'clock candle. Above that tomato. I'll do is if it breaks this wick. It'll be right here. And flip. Look like we in whipsaw motion. All the wicks. 8, 15, 16, not so many, 30. It'd be smarter to play this off of a 30-minute. Keep on watching. Yeah, as soon as we get up beneath, here's the deal. As soon as we get beneath this range here, taking it to this trend line. No doubt about it. So there's our daily rejection zone right there. Set this up, make it kind of look like our other window right there. It's out of the way. 8 o'clock candle, what you want to do? Live from Yellow Duck. I'm gonna trade with me, guys. I'm gonna share this to Instagram. All right, waiting for the New York Stock Exchange. Thanks for checking this out, everybody. Streaming for about 30, 40 minutes. The news. Saw some pretty amazing volume in the market early this morning. Nothing that was too interesting to us. You're a scalper, then I think you'd be all right. Everybody good? Everybody hanging out? Well, it's pretty bright. Look behind me. Got the flowers. We got the cello. We got the couches. What you talking about, Willis? Y'all know this? You ever heard of this? This is amazing. This is what I grew up on. The coffee too. Come on. You're jumping in. First time to this channel. Thanks for hanging out with me. Let me know where you're watching from. Let me know. Let me know if you're interested in trading, if you want to learn how to do this thing. Turning this channel into a trading channel. So as we watch the market fluctuate in times of recession and all that jazz, it's gonna be real dope. But 8:30 our time, Central Standard Time, is when the NYSE opens, New York Stock Exchange, New York time. As we wait, we educate, we hydrate, motivate, we celebrate. You're right. I got my co-pilot. All of us from the Missions Trading Agency, a good, big God bless you and good morning. Thanks for checking this out, guys. We're going to be looking at the charts as the charts roll by, as the candles roll through. Let's see, just make some adjustments. Hey, where you watching from? Wherever you might be checking this out, let us know. Here's the big idea, right? When prices going up, we want to buy. When prices going down, we want to sell. In this particular case, I want to say that I am anticipating a reaction. It's going down. There's a lot of reasons for price to go down. I know the screen is a little bit blurry, but we're working on it. If you know how to fix that or remedy that, let me know. So, yeah, that's pretty interesting to me. Where you're watching from, where you're tuning in from, guys. 8:11. Let's jump onto a 5-minute time frame. So that can flip seems like it's holding up okay. We want to get out of this consolidation zone, especially the Asia first hour opening. See a breaker structure going down. So as it breaks this structure here, be amazing to see. Still wouldn't want to take it. Why? Because there's a 5-minute trend right just in it breaking as well. Well, if we broke that trend line, if we broke this structure, I think we'd be okay to take bullish, looking for buys. But because we're in this consolidation, look, there's just a ton of bearish structure here. That tells me, let's see, I got 1, 2, 3, 4 indicators on here. Let me throw one more up. It's called Lux, Smart Money Concepts. All right. This is what this is showing us. To this, say color candles, confluence filter, all these. I don't necessarily need order blocks. Value gaps, sure, why not? Zones, that's the one I want. All right. Well, it looks like we made this significant high. This is a 30-minute time frame. A significant high, right? Yesterday, we shot up, man. We took out these highs here. We took out some higher price ranges for real. And we entered in what's called a premium price range, which means that's where folks want to sell their stock in premium price ranges, right? And where they want to buy it is down here. Y'all ever heard the buy the dip? Well, that's the dip down here. So that's pretty interesting too. We could potentially look for a price to come down into this equilibrium part, this huge push up. All right, y'all see this? Let's just examine for a minute. Hey, somebody put TP 11840. Okay, we're going down. Agree. I don't see nothing wrong with 840. You already in a position? If so, congrats. Still way up here. Mario. Hello, Mario. Mario. Just click sell, man. Just click sell. No, I'm playing. Don't do it. 840. All right. I like 840 as a TP. That's the bottom of the block. Think about these ranges, man. We just in this range. Ugh, it's just ugly. This white box that I have right here. This one right here is just ugly. I don't like it. Let me make it. Yeah, let's keep it white. But as long as we're in this box, this is yesterday's market opening range. Sorry. Gotta get up out this box. Let's go to a lower time frame. So, see again, flip down. So much consolidation. Price not really figuring out where it wants to go just yet. Now, that doesn't mean that it will. Just be in this little range all day long and see is this, that, this, that, this, that, this, that, this, that, and never make up its mind what it want to do. And if so, we just stay out the way. Just stay out the way, man. Nothing. Just hang tight. You dig? Join us. Thanks for watching with us. We got about 15 minutes till the market open. Love to see price come and break this zone right here and break this 30-minute order block going down. Take this thing down, man. Watch this thing melt. I have a sell stop. I currently have a sell stop and a buy stop on my chart. Somewhere in this area here. Something like this. Get to 840. I like that. I like that 11840 though. That 11840 is gonna be all right with me. Let's go to 1 to 5. So you risk $20 to make 100. Like that. All right. And now what? Shoots up. We have a buy stop above. Let's go. Somewhere right. Let's make 1 to 5. Just like the sound of that. I just like the sound of it. 1 to 5. 1 to 5 would be good, folks. So either way, it's a continue to the. Don't mind taking a sell, especially when it lines up with our rules. So there is a weak zone. This high here. So it's down, man. Once price decides it wants to melt, man, we just hold this thing until it gets down here. Potentially. Lower price ranges today. What day is today? Friday? Usually they call this trap day because you're going to get caught in a trap. So we're going to be mindful. But I really am thinking that price wants to melt. Look at US 30 kind of doing the same consolidation thing. So let me readjust this fib. Say something like that. Something like this. The open. Got about 10 minutes to the open. Well, good morning. Michaela's in the room. One of our ninja traders. Just be chilling and trading. Calm and watch price print. Got a good question. Are we buying or selling when the market opens up? So that's the beautiful thing. We don't know. We don't know what we're doing right now. Right now, we're just chilling. Looking to see price go down. We're gonna react. Anyone who tells you they know what the market's gonna do, don't listen. But they have a good. How good is the reaction time when you see price actually making a move to the downside or to the upside? Are you able to click that button? So looking at US 30, I did this yesterday. I'm gonna do it again. US 30, there's a 30-minute wick field right there. I'm going to go 10 points above. That's right, you don't know until you know. I'm going to go 10 points above this wick field right here. I'm going to put a buy stop, not for $1. Nope. $2. So if we do make a bullish run, open bullish and then drop. I want to get caught in a bullish move. We're supposed to be in a bullish move. What's interesting is that US 30 and NAS potentially could do the opposite. The exact opposite. So if I'm looking at this here, 30-minute wick field on US 30, y'all see these candles over here? I'm going to make a box. Right there, I'm gonna grab my measurement tool. I'm gonna go down 10 points. Now I wanna see price get beneath that box before I take a sell on US 30. All that consolidation. Yeesh. Ugly. Just ugly. And you don't wanna get caught in consolidation. That is the trash. All right. Are you feeling good this morning? All right. Hey, man, I appreciate. Where are you watching from? TP 11840. Where are you watching from? Good luck on your trade. Yes, we will definitely take that. Take all the blessings. Where are you watching from, guys? I want to see where you're watching from. Thanks for joining. Thanks for hanging out with me, man. It's going to be a good day. Today going to be good. Tap it on the line. Today's going to be a good day. Today's going to be a good day. So there's nothing wrong with having an idea, right? So we have an idea of what the market is going to open with. Okay, the idea goes like this. It's going to go up or down. So that's why we set our automatic entries. So when price does decide whether it goes up or down, it'll automatically put us in with the sell stop or the buy stop. We want to see it make a volume, okay? Makes a move to the top side with some volume. And then that opening candle starts to leave a wick. That means that the sellers have taken over. And so we could potentially be in a buy at the open that we would have to quickly exit. You dig? So same for the bottom. So we could open very bearish, and then on the opening candle, at least the first 15 minutes of it, right? 15 minutes, 30 minutes, pretty significant. Very bearish, and then watch that wick start to creep up. That means that buyers are in the market ready to take this thing up. So how quick is your reaction time, man? That's the key. Do you got MetaTrader open? Open it up. Watching from Taiwan. Wow. Welcome. This channel is all about trading, specifically NAS100, U.S. indices, including U.S. 30. So I appreciate you hanging out. Thank you for hanging out. Thank you for sharing input. Thank you for tapping on the line. Hey, do me a favor and click the thumb on this thing. Click the thumb. Hit the bell. Hit the subscribe button. Let's go. If you don't mind sharing this on your station, on your channel, on your platform, on your social media, on your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikToks, and all that. Go ahead and share this, man. Got 5 minutes. Right. It's 5 minutes. Keep this on a 30-minute time frame so we don't have to look at all the madness on this open. We get rid of my. Let's see what happens with this arrow. This arrow might be good. Might be good for us. We'll see. Do you know where Taiwan is? Asia? I guess it's Asia. Never been to Asia. I would love to go to Asia. Well, I kind of been to Asia. Middle East. Dubai. Been to Dubai. But love to visit Far East Asia. So 825 is giving us some pretty decent bullish momentum. Bullish momentum. Going up. That don't mean we jumping to buy, my friends. That means we wait and watch. We wait and watch patiently. And I would love to see price come and break this. Here's what I think. Price comes and breaks this high, then actually bounce and go down. Just an idea. That's not a prediction. That's an idea. I think my kids are awake. Peace. Peaceful trading today, guys. Not jumping in the market too soon, not being impulsive, not over risking, taking trades based on our rules. What are our rules, boys and girls? Our rules, our break of structure, AOR, GAN flips. So speaking of Asia, we are in Asia opening hour. You see this blue bar that pops up on our screen? That is the first hour of Asia session. See that blue bar that's popping up on our screen? So it seems like there's a little bit of delay, just so you know. I'll be seeing the open, and then on YouTube it'll be just a little delay. So charts open so that you can see the market open in real time. 8:30. Got about 1 minute. Love to see price potentially take these highs out and melt like butter. A lot of bearish structure here. A lot of bearish structure. Price wanting to go down. Meaning we see lower highs, lower lows. There's a lower high here. Question. All right, guys, here's the market open. Here we are. Market is open. We see some, what do we see here? We see the opposites happening on US 30 and NAS. NAS opens bullish. US 30 opens bearish. See if we get tapped into some of these sales, man. See if it takes out some of these highs first. If so, I'm going to protect this buy as soon as possible. Maybe even just scalp the buy. US 30 pushing down. Interesting. All right. So we break out of Asia high. We break out of the 30-minute order block. Break out of the yesterday's market open range. Look like we're taking this thing up just a hair to take out some of these sellers first. That's why we have this buy stop 10 points above this high. Let's go up a little higher. So there's 10 points above. We may get tapped into this buy. If so, I'm going to be looking to scalp like a mug. US 30 is leaving a wick to the bottom, showing some bullish momentum. See what happens. All we know is we don't know. We got an 8-minute GAN flip going up. Got almost tapped into the buy on NAS. Tapped into the buy on NAS. Now we have entered the game right here. Boom. 20-point stop loss. I'm going to move that stop loss first. Right there. I'm going to move that TP just right there. I'm going to the most obvious TP. See what happens, y'all. About, let's see, 2 minutes left to a new 5-minute. Well, obviously, let's see, we need to go here. The entry candle. Entry candle is our stop loss. Back in profit. Take this up, man. Let's take it up. Take it up. Be amazing, too. All right, Nas, what you want to do? You want to push up a little bit more? Push up a little bit more. Minute time frame. Look at that beautiful bullish candle. Ay. And what I want to do, as soon as it reaches that level of point of interest, I want to take half off of my position. Okay, what we doing? Just relax. Take a sip of coffee. So US 30 is taking a dip. NAS took out the highs. Now I'm seeing that wick. That's that wick I was talking about. We got 1 more minute. If the next candle gives us bearish momentum, we may consider just exiting this buy. At about 45 seconds left, it looks like we're finding some resistance at 12,040. All right, going. I'm gonna go to a 1-minute candle time frame. I'm gonna take a good look at what's happening. Definitely can see some resistance at this level. I'm gonna shoot for 12,050, 12,050 mark. It's a bank zone. Shall see what happens. Here is the new 5-minute candle. So the GAN flipped up. See some retracement here. some bullish momentum going. Where the buyers at? I want to look at CNBC. Kind of just take a peek. It says the S&P 500 opens lower on Friday. All right. And then I'm going to go to NASDAQ. I just kind of take a look. This is not to find confluence or nothing like that. This is just to see what the news is saying. Take a real quick look. A lot of bears in the market. More bears than anybody. Okay. So that kind of gives me an idea. All right. So what I want to do, break this high. Take half of there and check this trade at resistance level. All right. So we could potentially get knocked out right here. Guaranteed trade. We are safe. We banked $600 and we're looking at $400, taking it up. I would love to see it maybe hit this resistance line up here. We shall see. Good job. Good trades today. Looking at US 30, leaving a huge wick on the 30-minute time frame. Let's go to the 30-minute time frame on Nas. Look at Nas. Boy, Nas gave you that business. Gave you a huge bullish candle at the open. The buyer said we are in the building. All right, so I got stopped out at entry. Today's take profit, $714. Can you see that? So I'm officially out of trades. I still have sell stops. I still have a US 30 buy stop, so we'll see if it wants to go higher. But the idea was that we come in, we take out these highs, which we did. Now looking to maybe take this thing down if the sellers show up. If not, we're just going to continue in our bullish move. We've seen just bullish momentum. All right, the bulls are in the building, so we shall see. All right, so we hit a, let's see, we're talking about RR. We almost hit a 1-to-1. At some point, see, when we see resistance, we move our risk to a bit less. So we could say that this hit a 1 to 1.4. Happy with these trades today. Now let's see if price is going to continue up. If price continues up, where could you potentially get involved? On buys, I'm not sure. Sells, definitely on sale. So what I'm going to do is get rid of my buy stop on US 30. Really not looking for the buy situations to happen today, just based on all this consolidation overnight. If it does decide it wants to just rip all the way up and go to the higher price range, that's great. But we had good entries today, y'all. Good entries today, y'all, based on the breakout of this consolidation zone. We take it up. If you look at my trade history, we got pushed into a automatic buy stop, into some consolidation. We just go ahead and take it out. Now we can potentially just watch this thing take out more highs. But if it does take out the next high, which is this right here, Nas has potential to go up higher. So here it goes, broke the high. You could target this right here. That 30-minute order block. Actually give you a 1-to-1. So if your stop loss was at 39 or 40. But I'm gonna watch this thing consolidate. That's what I'm sensing. I'm sensing a consolidation. See, we got the wicks to prove it. Trade histories. Did you take the buy with me? Did you take the buy? Did anybody take the buy with me? Or nah? What's it looking like over there, co-pilot? Did you protect? Are you still in the buy? All right. It's impulsive. Is there potential to get into more buys? Yes. Where would that happen? That would happen when price broke above this high, this current swing high, most recent swing high. Now, I wouldn't advise it because that means that stop loss would be very much a whole lot. We typically do stop loss. It's either entry candle or it's this swing low. So if we did that, that'd be 100-point stop loss. Not interested. We're just gonna wait and see how this Trap Friday pans out. Where you watching from, guys? Are y'all in the building? Are y'all in a buy? If you're in a buy, say I'm in a buy. If you got stopped out, put I got stopped out. If you're waiting, just put I'm waiting. That's actually the best. It's the best position to be in, is just wait. Waiting is great. Somebody type that on the line. Waiting is great. I'd rather wait and be great. Rush. Rush, that's not good. I'm not good at rap. And be mush. Great. Then the rush. Rush. What rhymes with rush? What'd you say? Okay, y'all are waiting. Perfect. You see on the 30-minute time frame, looks like we have double tops. Y'all see the double top? 1, 2, 3. We're looking for this move here to break this low. We take this sell. Just wait for price to come to our. Oops. We wait for price to come to our sell stop. Huh? Oh. And get crushed. Dang! I'm a poet and don't know it because my face don't show it. I'd rather wait and be great than to rush and get crushed. Type that on the line. Can somebody type that on the line? Copilot, can you type that on the line? I'd rather wait and be great than to rush and get crushed. Come on, somebody. Looks like US 30 is going to hit our buy stop had we kept it there. Kept it there. It looked like we might have gotten tapped in. Let me just double check. Oh, not yet. Stop. Well, my buy stop on Nas, let's just look. Yeah, bulls want to take these highs out because they know there's some sellers at the top. They know y'all were selling. They know y'all was selling. They could sense that y'all were selling. All right, so from our entry, price has went bullish 28 points. So if you were holding that entry that we were at, then you were up 20 points. Not too bad for a Friday. Saw that drawdown. The drawdown was not bad at all. You can replay this video to see. Okay. So good work on Nas this morning, guys. I mean, the buy stop worked out. Stand by for news. I gotta get our camera back. tapped into the buy. All right. Whoa. Here we go. Let's see. That's shot up. Good job, everyone. Let's see here. Great. So Nas shot up, took out those highs. US 30 shooting up. So what I want to do is I want to grab this fib. I want to relocate that mid fib line. Oh my God, look at that. Good job, Nas. Nas is going up. Going up. See how far we're going to go. How far we're going to take this thing. Like that. And we'll go ahead and protect US 30. Get ready to take half. Good job, guys. Staying patient. Look at Nas roar. Come on, y'all. Look at Nas roar. If you're a buyer in the market, congratulations. If you're a seller, just in good risk management, then you are in the business as well. All right, so Nas100, where you going, man? You going up to that resistance level right there. Resistance 12,139. 12,139 going up. Look at this going up. Come on. Hey. Going up. Hey. Pump it up. You know we pump it up. We got to pump it up. Good job, guys. Very good. Way to protect. Way to take those entries with no anxiousness. Just in the business. Come on, man. All right. Potentially going to 12,127. First and then finding resistance. US 30, we took half, and now we're looking at protecting and getting stopped out at our entry, which happened right there. All right, so for me, guys, man, not too bad of trades. I like to protect quick. I just don't need the drawdown. You know what I mean? So US 30 is tapping me out. So we're good. All good trades today. We said it. It's going to be good. So we're holding that NAS100. Jump into an 8-minute. Jump into an 8-minute, because what I really think is going to happen, we're going up to 12. Big number 229. 12, 2, 1, 8, 12, 2, 2, 9. One of those. If you just want to hold it for the rest of the day. You know what I mean? We were anticipating bullish continuation from pretty much all week. We saw this pullback, but just because the buyers came and just ripped up this pullback, taking out all these highs, tells us that buyers were in the market, man, wanted to take this thing up higher. So congratulations for those who took this trade with us. Come on. Give yourselves a hand. Give yourselves a hand. There's not much else for us to go over. Like an hour and a half and $871. What you talking about, Willis? What you talking about, Willie? What you talking about, Willie? I'd rather wait and be great than to rush and get crushed. I can't say that word. I want to say I'd rather I'd rather wait and be great than to rush and get crushed. Hey, you're on camera. Rather wait and be great than to rush and get crushed. Come on. Y'all sing it with me. I'd rather wait and be great than to rush and get crushed. You guys are amazing. You guys are amazing. Y'all make trading fun. Y'all make trading fun. So glad to be a part of this deal. So this is our second live stream, man, and this is our second win. Come on now. Second win. Winner, chicken dinner. So we'll give us a big old fat check mark. Boom. If you're like me and like to protect quick, then you are still in the business. If you're holding, congratulations. I would watch that 21 moving average. I would watch that Gann flip on the 5. Looking to the left, let's keep watching it. I mean, you have this 4-hour order block here. You have 12,139 as resistance. And then you have 12,271. Come on, man. I like that. Let's go up higher. And just hold it. Now, I'm not sure if we have any more news. Oh, yeah. We do have news. Red folder news at 9. 7 minutes. Yeah, so this thing, okay, so you're winning now. So what I would do, I was protect at this 30-minute high. I would move that stop loss and profit to that 30-minute high right there because news could come down. We don't know what's going to happen. It's going to be anticipation, reaction. News will come down, tap into that 30-minute order block, and then continue up higher. So either protect that entry, protect that 30-minute high. Man, I'm just happy to be here. Are y'all happy? It's a good Friday, y'all. Really good Friday. Amazing, y'all. Y'all are some amazing traders on this channel. If anything, we're going to expose you to proper risk management, proper trade management, proper stop loss, or take profits. You dig? Look at that 30-minute candle. Y'all want to be a part of that. Y'all want to be a part of that candle. When did y'all get in this deal? Oh, my God. That was sitting at 61 points, guys. Sheesh. Sitting at 61 points. Not a bad day in the markets. On a Friday on Nas, y'all sitting at a 1 to 1.6. All right. Hopefully y'all were able to take these trades with us. We got the Gann flip, exiting a 30-minute order block. The same song over and over. Block down here, breaking highs. Now these highs, I'm really anticipating this thing going up high. We'll see. We're holding this thing, hoping it goes up. We're not getting out too fast. Even though I protected pretty quick, I got knocked out. Hey, that's my style. I like seeing blue on the screen. Okay, what else? And 12, 1, 3. Oh, let's look at the daily zone. Wow, this thing just ripped through all of that. So we're pretty much in the middle of a daily zone. Okay. If I were to put, what am I going to put? I want to see if we're in the middle of this daily rejection zone or not. And I think we are. So all I'm going to do is do this right here. I'm going to find that 50% only. Okay, so we passed 50% of this daily resistance. Let me look at 32. Yeah, we passed the 32 mark. Oh, geez. Coming up on the 61, or the 0.61. So if we were to respect this daily rejection level, I would see us come to the big number 12 12,100 and start to reject hard. You dig? 12,100. Good take profit zone too. If you want to take profit at 12,100. It just seems like we're only we're only 6 points away. So, good time to take profit. What you think, co-pilot? Yeah, I would do that now. Because you're at the 618. Take partials, protect that entry, leave a runner, forget about it. Forget about it. Man, let's just recap this entry right there. Good Lord. What a great entry, guys. So much bullish momentum at 8:30 tells you we are taking this thing up. How high? We don't know. We're just going to risk proper. So on a 40-point stop loss, 1.5 every time. And that's a good day. 1.5%. Do that every day. Sheesh. Too bad. Too bad at all. Look at the 1 minute. Yeah, you still have not had a Gann flip on these lower time frames. So this is build up, build up, build up. So you go up, go up, go up. You dig? We could be looking at 12. Yeah, still looking at 12-1. 12-1. Nah. 9-5. Not a bad day in the markets if you ask me. Y'all are some amazing traders. Sheesh. Right, 9 o'clock coming up. Here comes some news. Looking for a retracement in about 50 seconds. We'll see how price wants to react to this news. All we know is we don't know. Room to go up. Right. Touching the 21 moving average. Rejecting. Finding support on this 4-hour order block. We'll see what happens in 20 seconds. We know is we don't know. Took out these highs. Potentially going higher. It's 9 o'clock. The fight is on, man. These candles are just going all over the place. These candles are popping up and down, man. Hey, let's check this website out real quick. Let's see what he's talking about. So that's wrong. It's 30. Buy signal on 30. Yeah, so you may be getting stopped out in profit if you check it at 30-minute order block. Which is what we were anticipating, right? Exactly what we was anticipating. You got to go. News. Off of that fib level, Nas. Just our fib level. Chin up. Now, this is not where you click buy. Just so you know. Not where you click buy. You clicked buy way down here and let it run up. You don't click buy here. Smart. You want to be smart. You want to click buy up down at the bottom, not at the top. Now, this thing could rip up. That's okay. Look at your profits and don't give them back to the market because it'll take it. So there's the 0.61 fib level. It's a 1 to 1.7 on our initial entry. Our initial entry is so amazing. Good work, guys. Clicked in the buy stop, which actually was a GAN flip on 5 minute, exiting a 30-minute order block. Structure, yes, and we got one. We broke this structure here, man. So that's good. What else? Targeting. Now, target resistance level pivot point of 12,139. Let's go up, guys. Let's go up. No, do not enter. I'm not entering again. I don't advise once you've hit TP, hitting enter again, because then you're putting your profits at risk. You could be out of today in profit. Okay. If you got stopped out in profit, you hit your target because you put your stop loss at your new target and price hit your stop loss. So respect the profits. Honor your profits. Don't give them back to the market. Now this thing could just go up higher and higher and higher. It is Friday. We could see 300 points today on NAS. And guess what? You already got some of that. So be good. Now, what I would love to see, I would love to see a 1. Let's go put it up here. Y'all know how I like that 1 to 5, man. 1 to 5 just has a good ring to it. We're swinging for the fences. We're just trying to get on base. 1 to 5 actually is our resistance level. R2, 12, 2, 7, 1. Now, can we potentially get there throughout the day? Absolutely. It's only 9:04. There's a lot of trading left to do today. Okay? There's a lot of trading left to do. We could definitely touch that resistance line today. So you just have to wait and see. Either way, today has been an amazing day if you did your rules. If you did your rules, if you traded risk management properly, trade management properly. The only thing I had done something just a bit different, and that was protecting pretty fast. I protected pretty fast, which, you're gonna protect. That means that, you're not gonna risk your capital. You're gonna still have some room, and you're gonna still have opportunities to be in the game again another day when you protect. So had I protect a little bit later, we could have seen a bit. I don't want to say could. Had we done it. It wanted to give us more. Had we just waited. Wanted to give us more. There was more to give, and there still is. We'll see what happens. The protection line is a good first line of defense, so that your capital stays on your side and you don't hand it over to the market. So that's my idea about that. All right, so now we're just monitoring this on a higher time frame. There's all kinds of stuff we could be looking at. We could be looking at the RSI. Do we have to use the RSI? No. We could be looking at the TSI. Who likes the TSI? Do we need it? No. So there's a 1 to 2 point 6. Now we're going up higher to resistance level. What else could we be looking at, y'all? I mean, do we need all that? Look, we could look at accumulation distribution. And that thing just ripped up, didn't it? RSI ripped up. Like, just monitor the RSI, or what they call the LMI. Just watch this thing just fly up, man. It's like watching the airplanes go higher, 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 higher. Ship. I think emojis. Huh? There's an oh, they put emojis on TradingView. How fun. Give me that rocket ship. Come on. All right. Take it up higher, man. We're going to the moon, man. We're going to the moon, man. Going to the moon, man. Come on, man. And ultimately, we want to get here. We want to get here to the finish line. Going to 1 4-hour order block. That's our goal line right there. Can we make it? Can we make it? Do I stay on the stream till we hit it? What y'all want to do? Oh my God. So we're at the top of the 4-hour order block here. Man, that thing just flew up. Nas, what is up? You 30 flying up. Jeez. Y'all had an amazing man. Come on, man. You found an amazing channel to trade on. I'm just trying to tell you. You found an amazing channel to trade with. I gotta give shout out to where, we didn't just learn this overnight. We've been doing this for a little bit. Shout out to all the amazing traders that taught us proper risk management. Y'all already know. I'm gonna give a shout out to Andy Peters, Pip Connect, Carbon Capital. At this point, where could it go? US 30 just gonna rip up, man. We're at $34,000 on US 30. That is incredible. Congratulations to all the guys who are holding these buys, man. I mean, y'all took it up. Y'all took it up. That's what's up. That's what's up, man. All right, looking at the 4-hour. Wow, we have to look at the daily. Looking at the daily, it seems as though the market wants to take this thing up higher. I got a lot of lines up here. Let's get rid of some of these lines. Don't need. What's up? I hope so. Top of this 4-hour wick zone right here. And we get into the top of that wick zone right there. All right, or the top of that daily wick right there. So, I mean, it's just, wow. You see the black line, that's our daily trend. We broke that a long time ago. Above the fib fan, so there's really no reason to have that. Now, the down arrow did not work out today. Nobody cares about that. And we're just going to clean it up. Clean it up. All right, so where could we potentially be going, ladies and gentlemen? I'm glad you asked. What I do is grab me a moving average of 200. 200 moving average. I'm going to make it blue. I'm just going to throw it on the chart, see where it's at. Okay. And make sure that says simple. Yes. All right, then I want to grab an indicator, moving average. And I want to put 500, and I want to make that magenta. Okay, I'm gonna make it thick. Let's go. Where is that guy at? Oh, it's up there. All right. Now, could price potentially make it to that moving average? Who knows? Could it potentially get to the top of this daily wick zone? Absolutely. We just broke through this 4-hour wick zone here. And now we take it up to at least the bottom of this 4-hour wick zone above. Now this is for NAS100. If we look at 30-minute, y'all see these two bullish candles just came in like coming in hot. Coming in hot, man. That thing just came in hot for real. So targeting 12218 by the end of today. Potentially could absolutely do that. Now, I just don't see any other indication this could potentially go. Now there is something that we could do. We haven't done this in a minute. All right, y'all. Let's just get rid of some of this stuff. We don't need to see all of it. We're gonna turn off that. We're gonna turn off all the indicators. Okay. We'll leave this on because we're gonna see how price reacts. If it does come down to this 30-minute order block. All right. So what we could potentially do is, y'all see this yesterday's push up, right? I could grab a trend-based fib extension. Okay, trend-based fib extension. Y'all remember this? And we take this low to this high right there. And then we move this to our entry candle. Now we can see where price potentially wants to go. Goal would be to hit this green line right here. Y'all see that? To hit that green line there. You always just want to know where price is going to go. So based on this push up from this low to this high right there, that whole move right there, okay? It's low to this high. You measure that, and then you go to your stop loss. I see you 12157. See 12157, bottom of a 4-hour order block. Yeah, I think that's what you're looking at. Yep, good target. That's a great target. Anything above the entry, anything above the entry line is a good target. You dig? All right, so we have our moon, we have our target. I would say, it's keeping us from targeting the top of the 4-hour order block. Okay. Yeah, so we don't know. All we know is we don't know. But because I'm looking at the price, and I know that banks and market movers like these big target, 12,200. 12,200 because we already broke through 12,100. Okay. So that's one way to figure out take profit extension zones. Another one of our favorites is pivot. Distribution. Now look at. So look, we break above this pivot point, R1, we potentially target R2, which happens to be 12,210. So really 12,200, man. But I'm going to hold on to this. I'm going to hold up 1 to 5 just because I like how 1 to 5 sounds. Something like this. What did I do? I did something weird. Let me adjust this stop loss. There. Let me get my 1 to 5 back. Just above the 4-hour order block. on now. Give it to me. Right there. 12,231. All right. He knows we don't know. And we can monitor all the stuff. But really, we just let price print. As long as we have our rocket ship up here, this is going to go up. All right? On price. Man, let's help it. It needs some rocket boosters. Ready? All right, so not a bad trading day, guys. I'm going to call it a day. Just double check. Look at our entry here. Some good trades right there, guys. Really good trades. All right. Trade for the day. I think some of these trades were Asian session last night. Oh, so the US30 trade. Nas100 trade today. Right there. Actually, yeah, 2 trades today. 136 and 156. Not bad for a Friday. You see a melt happening on US30. I was talking about. You see a wick start to reject at the top. You can look to see if the price wants to come down. But at this point, sales don't look like it's in our favor today. It'll just be a little pullback, maybe a little scalp opportunity, but that's about it as far as, as my opinion goes, which don't mean nothing. Don't go very much, but that's what I'm looking at. You dig? We got the GAN still blue on 5 minutes, so we would just monitor that. US30, we can look at US30 real quick. If I have anything marked up on it. Okay, I have a trend line and a 4-hour order block. Cool. And yesterday's range, which we bounced off of to the decimal at 8:30. Bounce off of that. Open here. Here's our GAN flip. I don't like that it's in a 4-hour order block, but it is what it is. You take that GAN flip up. I think our buy stop. Was in that candle. So we saw 151 points, which lines up with our buy. 158 points. So bouncing off of this trend line, looking at a higher time frame on US30, leaving a wick. Has to get above this trend line. Has to get above this 4-hour trend line. I marked it, see. 4-hour trend line to be able to say that it wants to continue up to the higher price ranges. Looking at a daily level, 34,396, or you could say 34,400. Okay? That's an outlook, just an idea. All I know is I don't know. You know is that price just went in our favor on the buys today. If you're a buyer, man, congratulations again. Sitting at a 1 to 2.24, potentially taking it up to a 1 to 5, baby. Let's go. I'm gonna leave this up here because I just want to see it happen. So if it happens, we'll look at it a little bit later. I'll set an alert or something like that. And yeah, dig. We'll see. No stress. Stressed. Always blessed. I'm going to the gym. That's what I'm about to do. I'm about to take it to the gym. Go enjoy myself on this Friday. Oh, I have appointment too for that. All right, y'all. Man, I hope y'all enjoyed this today. Really hope y'all enjoyed trading with me today. Man, I had a blast. Thank you for watching from Taiwan, watching from. I'm closing my computer. I'm done for the day, done for the week. What a great week we've had. We'll have to do a recap video. I'll try to post that at some point. A video of the weeks, trees and trades and all those things. Be blessed. Look at all that stuff behind me. Wow. Look at all that stuff behind me. That's amazing. All right, I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna call it a day. Uh, see, am I missing anything? Yeah, gotcha. That's it. Oh, what's going on here? Focus, man. Focus. Not focusing. Ah, lost it. All right, y'all. Blurry.